Hi, this is a short video to show you the solution to homework number 6. So if you start with number 1, it says there are 250 primary turns in a transformer. How many turns must be wound on the secondary to have a secondary voltage of 10 volts? So the formula is that equation 19.1, the number of primary divided by number of secondary equals the voltage primary divided by the voltage secondary. So 250 over NS equals 100 volts over 10 volts. So it's NS is going to be 250 divided by 10, or 25 turns. Okay, and then number 2 is kind of the same thing. 1,000 secondary turns. How many turns must be wound on the primary to have a secondary voltage of 20 if the primary is 200? So it's a 10-to-1 ratio, so 10 times 1,000 is 10,000. And then the second one is 8-to-1, VP equals 10, so if you take 10 times 8, VP equals 80 volts. And then number 4, this is where I can see it. NP over NS equals VP over VS, and we have a 1-to-10 ratio. Whenever you have a ratio, it's always going to be NP NS will be the ratio. So 1 turn in the primary, 10 turns in the secondary. VP equals 500, so it's going to be 500 over 10, which equals 50 volts. Then number 5, transformer has a turn ratio of 1-to-5. If 100 volts is applied to the primary, what is the secondary? So it's 1 over 5 equals 200 over VS, or VS equals 200 times 5. So that's 1,000 volts. Then finally, number 6 is current. And remember, equation 19.2 says IPNP equals ISNS. So you just plug in your values and you get 0.8 amps or 800 milliamps. All right, and then finally, number 7, again, is equation 19.2. IPNP equals ISNS. And if you do the math, you get IS equals 12.5 milliamps. Okay, I'll be right there.
Okay.
So then number 8 is just some fill in the blank. A transformer is a device. The voltage is always induced in the secondary winding, but secondary current flows only if there is a path. And then number 10, the primary current induces a voltage into the primary called counter EMF. All right, so that is homework 6, and that should answer any questions you may have had of how I graded that. All right, take care. Bye.